Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the HP DesignJet T210 large 24-inch color plotter printer. This incredible device is designed to make your printing experience easier, faster, and more cost-effective, especially when it comes to wide-format prints like CAD drawings, posters, and even professional sewing patterns. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer, this printer is sure to take your work to the next level. One of the standout features of the HP DesignJet T210 is its ability to handle a wide range of media sizes. With the option to print up to 24-inch wide media rolls and up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the optional automatic sheet feeder accessory, you can tackle projects of all shapes and sizes. This flexibility is a game-changer for professionals who need to print a variety of documents and images, from technical drawings to large posters. Imagine being able to print your designs and plans in stunning color and detail without having to worry about the hassle and expense of outsourcing to a third-party print shop. Another key benefit of the HP DesignJet T210 is its simple and cost-effective operation. With the ability to print multi-size projects automatically, without needing to manually switch the media source, you can save time and increase productivity. Plus, with cost-saving efficiencies like using 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to other competitor plotter printers, you can reduce your overhead costs and stay within budget. This is especially important for small businesses and freelance professionals who need to keep their expenses under control while still delivering high-quality results. The HP DesignJet T210 also comes with the innovative HP Click software, which simplifies the printing process and helps you get the most out of your device. With features like PDF error checking, alerts, and auto-nesting, you can save time, ink, and paper waste by avoiding common printing mistakes. The software also allows you to predefine your print settings and easily print files in a variety of formats, including PDF, JPEG, TIFF, DWF, HBGL/2, and PNG, by simply dragging and dropping them. This seamless integration with your workflow means you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing designs and projects. But what really sets the HP DesignJet T210 apart is its ease of use. The included HP Click driver is integrated with your workflow, allowing you to print directly from your design and common CAD applications. This means you can go from concept to print in just a few clicks, without having to worry about complicated settings or compatibility issues. Whether you're working on a complex technical drawing or a stunning poster, the HP DesignJet T210 makes it easy to bring your vision to life. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T210 large 24-inch color plotter printer is an incredible device that is sure to revolutionize the way you print. With its flexibility, simplicity, and cost-effectiveness, it's the perfect solution for professionals who need to print high-quality wide-format documents and images. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to learn more about the HP DesignJet T210 and discover how it can take your work to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your printing experience and unlock your full creative potential. Join the thousands of professionals who have already made the switch to the HP DesignJet T210 and start printing with precision, accuracy, and ease. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your most ambitious projects to life. The HP DesignJet T210 is the perfect tool to help you achieve your goals.